Hey guys, welcome to Nanda's Crafts. On this short tutorial, I want to demonstrate you guys how I make the fabric strip that goes around the doll's feet and around the doll's neck. To make the fabric strip, you will need the bias tape maker. The big one, I make the fabric strip that goes around the doll's feet, and the small one, I make the fabric strip that goes around the doll's neck. You're going to need a long piece of fabric. And as you can see, mine is already done. And your piece of fabric needs to be big enough to fit inside the bias tape maker. With the help of my X-Acto knife, I'm gonna push this in. And it's gonna look like this. On your iron table, you're going to iron, you're gonna pull it and iron, hold and iron until you're done. My iron is not hot, I'm just using it to demonstrate. And when it's all complete, you're going to fold and iron again until you iron the whole fabric strip, and take to the sewing machine and sew the edges. And it's going to look like this. And that's how I make the fabric strip that goes around my doll's feet and around my doll's neck. If you have any question, please comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.